Christmas is almost here, and if you're still hunting for the perfect gift, or just want to treat yourself, you're in the right place. AI isn't just in our phones and apps anymore. It's becoming physical, moving onto our desks and into our hands. 2025 is the year AI gets real. Less code, more real-world interaction. Today on Neo Gadgetz, we're unboxing 5 mind-blowing AI gadgets you can grab on Amazon right now. These aren't just toys, they're productivity boosters and lifestyle changers. We'll test them, see if they're worth your cash, and show you how they fit into daily life. From a lamp that reads your gestures, to a mug that knows your coffee habits, we've got a lot to cover. Let's dive in. First up, the Lumina AI Gesture Lamp, a sleek, minimalist addition to any workspace. Its matte black finish and slim profile look great, but the real magic is in the AI-powered gesture controls. Forget fumbling for switches. Just wave your hand to turn it on or off. Adjust brightness by moving your hand up or down, and shift color temperature side to side, from warm to cool, all in seconds. It's so intuitive, you'll never want to go back to buttons. The adaptive mode is where the AI shines. It learns your daily patterns, adjusting light automatically as your environment changes. Start work early? It brightens up. Sun comes up? It dims and matches natural light for eye comfort. Working late? It shifts to a warmer tone to reduce eye strain and help your sleep cycle. For creators, it's a game changer. Quickly tweak lighting for filming or photos with a simple gesture. The lamp keeps you in the zone, letting you adjust light without breaking focus. Setup is plug and play, and while there's an app for fine-tuning, you don't need it for the basics. The smart features enhance the lamp. They don't get in the way. Gesture controls are fast and reliable, with all processing done locally. No lag, no Wi-Fi needed. It feels like the lamp anticipates your needs. My verdict? The Lumina AI Gesture Lamp is a practical, futuristic upgrade that makes you wonder how you ever lived without it. It's a perfect example of AI making everyday life smarter and easier. If you want a workspace that feels next-gen, this is the lamp to get. It's not just smart, it's genuinely useful. Whether you're a student, a late-night worker, or a content creator, this lamp adapts to you. The design is subtle, but the impact is huge. No more distractions, just seamless control. It's a small change that makes a big difference. The Lumina is more than a lamp. It's a productivity tool. Once you try it, you'll never want to go back. It's the future of lighting, available today. If you're looking for a gift that impresses, this is it. The Lumina AI Gesture. Lamp smart, stylish, and seriously cool. Ready to see what's next? Let's move on to the next gadget. This is just the beginning of what AI can do for your daily routine. Stay tuned for more game-changing tech. Next up, a mug that knows exactly how you like your coffee. Meet the Ember-AI Smart Heated Mug, the answer to cold coffee. It looks sleek, feels great, and sits on a charging coaster to keep your drink hot. Set your perfect temperature in the app, and the mug maintains it. No more trips to the microwave. But here's where the AI comes in. It learns your habits. Like your coffee hot in the morning and tea cooler in the afternoon? The mug figures it out and adjusts automatically. It even predicts what you're drinking based on time and location, so your drink is always just right. For remote workers, it's a lifesaver. Your coffee stays hot through back-to-back calls. The AI optimizes battery life, going to sleep when you're done. The app tracks caffeine, suggests optimal temps, and can preheat your mug before you even ask. Beverage detection means it won't scald your milk or ruin your hot chocolate. The battery lasts about 90 minutes, but keep it on the coaster and you're set all day. Is it a necessity? Maybe not. But it's a luxury that makes every day better. For coffee and tea lovers, it's a fantastic gift. The Ember-AI is smart, intuitive, and makes your daily routine smoother. It's more than a mug. It's a little bit of comfort, powered by AI. If you want your drinks perfect every time, this is the gadget for you. It's a small upgrade that feels huge. The Ember-AI, for anyone who hates cold coffee. Next, let's look at a gadget that breaks language barriers. The future of communication is here. Ready for something out of a sci-fi movie? Let's check out the Vizio-AI Translator Glasses. The Vizio-AI Real-Time Translator Glasses look like regular specs, but they're packed with futuristic tech. Put them on, and you'll see real-time subtitles for conversations, right in your field of view. Built-in mics pick up speech, and the AI translates and displays it almost instantly. The translation is fast and impressively accurate, even with slang or quick speech. For travelers, these are a game changer. Order food, ask directions, or chat with locals without fumbling for your phone. The AR display is transparent and customizable, so it never gets in your way. After a few minutes, it feels totally natural. You can also get discreet notifications, texts, directions, right in your vision, keeping you engaged with the world. Bone conduction speakers let you hear translations or take calls, all hands-free. The AI filters out background noise and understands context, making conversations smooth. Supports over 40 languages at launch, with more on the way. Privacy is built in, mics only activate in translation mode, with a visible LED indicator. All data is encrypted, and nothing is stored without your consent. These glasses aren't just a translator, they're a new way to connect with people and cultures. For frequent travelers, business pros, or tech fans, they're a glimpse of the future. The price is high, but you're buying an experience, not just a gadget. The Vizio-AI glasses break down language barriers and make the world feel smaller. It's AR that's actually useful, not just a gimmick. If you want to see the future of communication, this is it. Next up, AI that helps you disconnect, not distract. Let's check out the NeoPod AI personal assistant. The future isn't just about more tech, it's about smarter, simpler tech. Ready to unplug, but stay connected? Here's how. The NeoPod AI Personal Assistant is a screenless pocket-sized device designed for digital detox. It's all about voice. No screen, no distractions, just a simple tactile gadget. Tap it twice, speak naturally, and it handles reminders, messages, and quick questions. The AI is conversational, no rigid commands needed. Send a text, set a reminder, or get info, all without picking up your phone. It's perfect for staying connected without falling into the endless scroll. Leave your phone behind and take NeoPod for peace of mind and fewer distractions. Security is tight. It only listens after a double tap and all data is encrypted. The AI can filter notifications, only alerting you for what matters, like family emergencies. It's like a supercharged do not disturb, controlled by your voice. For directions, it gives you audio turn by turn, so your eyes stay on the road. Battery life is excellent, lasting days on a single charge. It charges via USB-C, making it easy to top up anywhere. The NeoPod isn't trying to replace your phone, it's a companion that helps you use tech more intentionally. For anyone overwhelmed by notifications, it's a breath of fresh air. It's a tool for focus, presence, and balance in a hyper-connected world. The NeoPod is a statement. Sometimes less screen is more. If you want to reclaim your attention, this is the gadget for you. It's simple, elegant, and genuinely helpful. Next, let's clean up your workspace, literally. Meet the CleanBot AI Desk Vacuum, because even the future needs a tidy desk. Ready for a little robot janitor? Let's see it in action. The future is clean and a little bit fun. The CleanBot AI Desk Vacuum is a tiny robot that keeps your workspace spotless. It's like a mini Roomba for your desk, puck-shaped, quiet, and surprisingly smart. The AI uses sensors to avoid obstacles and prevent falls, navigating around your keyboard, mug, and papers. It cleans efficiently, mapping your desk and covering every inch in a systematic pattern. Just turn it on and let it work while you focus. It's whisper quiet, so it won't distract you during calls or deep work. Perfect for anyone who snacks at their desk or works with small, messy materials. Maintenance is easy. Twist off the top, empty the dustbin, and wash the filter. The battery lasts about an hour, and it recharges via USB-C. Spot Clean Mode lets you target messes with a double press. It's a hands-off solution for daily desk maintenance. The CleanBot is part of a trend, automating small chores so you can focus on what matters. It won't deep clean, but it keeps your space tidy and stress-free. For students, tech lovers, or anyone who takes pride in their workspace, it's a fun and practical gift. The CleanBot, a tiny robot janitor that brings order to your desk. It's simple, effective, and a little bit charming. Who knew cleaning could be this fun? If you want a cleaner, smarter workspace, this is the gadget for you. That wraps up our AI gadget tour. Ready to bring the future to your desk? Let's wrap things up. The future is here, and it's cleaner than ever. On to the final thoughts. That's 5 AI gadgets you can get right now, each one bringing the future a little closer. From gesture-controlled lamps to language-translating glasses, AI is solving real problems in everyday life. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I read as many as I can. Links to all the products are in the description if you want to check them out. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe and ring the bell for more cutting-edge tech. Happy holidays from Neo Gadgetz. See you in the future.